Hello everyone, I'm Reecha. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in BBA at Thames International College. I am very punctual, detail-oriented and have a good learning attitude which has helped me to enhance my career. From the career bootcamp which was organized by MeroJob, I learned to tackle with my fear, develop self-confidence and how communication can help us in working environments. As the placement day, which is going to be held on 14th August, I am very much excited to meet and interact with various organizations. I hope I get to work with organizations whose values are aligned with mine. For upcoming batches, I like to say start early, build your skills, make connections and attend such kind of career boot camps. Believe me guys, it will really help you to enhance your career further. At last, I'd like to thank Thames International College and MeroJob for bringing such great opportunity to us. Thank you.